Brother Frank here, upstate New York, yet again, another snowstorm. However, check all the birds out who are not afraid. And I will give you some zoom action. Check it out. And by the way, I did not shovel that path to feed them. A very nice person that I'm watching TV with today takes good care of the birdies. And there's a glimpse. And as for you, Adam the Woo, Hitchcock would be very proud. So here we are after 20 inches of snow in upstate New York, and I'm going to give you some night light here. Here we go. You can get a good look at all the snow, and I'm talking 2 feet of snow here. It's definitely been an amazing winter wonderland of a day, but I wanted to give you guys a night look. The deck, it was 60 degrees out here about 4 days ago, and we were grilling steaks on that very grill and eating on that table and reading books right there. And now we're all full of this white stuff that just continues. And that's all, folks. God bless, and always think POZ. Alrighty, here we are the day after, and the travel ban has been lifted. So here we go, making our way out, and you can see just by the difference of the driveway, which was plowed 4 times. Take a look at how incredibly here we go. Nice that they lifted the travel ban. Not that Black Beauty ever pays attention to that, because this baby will go through anything. And as you can see, the house right there, there's so much snow, but the roads are good. The roads are certainly nice and clear. We'll get back at you in a little bit. Here we are checking on some of the back roads, and these are certainly less plowed, and definitely turned into a winter wonderland as we got over 20 inches of snow. And it's a little slippery even with Black Beauty, but Black Beauty plows through anything. Love it. Love my Ford Expedition. It just gives me some of the best comfortability, and only vehicle I ever had that was even resembled close to this was my Lincoln Navigator, as far as comfortability and being able to just give you whatever you want. Power, luxury, you can put a family in here, travel's great, and so here's a good look at it as we mosey on down the road. We also had a couple power outages to boot, so that was fun. It's beautiful though to see the snow out and all hanging on the trees. Take a look at that beautiful tree there. Look at how beautiful that is. Wow.